One, I'm Prao, your instructor. Today I'm gonna show you how to do your undergraduate research project. So on your Canvas, one of the big assignment that you have is you have to do the undergraduate research project for this Principle of Macroeconomics class. Today I'm gonna show you some steps. The main idea of this assignment, I'm gonna show you the assignment first of all. Okay. So if you download the file on Canvas, you should have this file. Okay. The main objective of this project is I want you to understand the macroeconomic condition of our local community. And at the end of this research, you will design a public policy to address the economic problem. Okay? Report of every county, you're gonna select one county, will be given to policymaker. I will send some of your policy recommendation to the city or to the county. Okay, so your work is an important part of the whole class team, and it might be used by the policymaker. Okay, so your choice, you have these counties to choose from. I choose from, around Lake Superior County. You can choose some county from Wisconsin, Ashland, Bayfield, Burnett, Douglas, Iron, Sawyer, or Washburn. If you want to take a look at Minnesota County, you have the choice of Aitkin, Carlton, Cook, Itasca, Couchiching, Lake, St. Louis, or Pine County. Okay, this is 100 points. And it will be 20% of your grade. I'm sorry, I didn't type that. Okay, and the due date is November 2nd. Okay, so what you're going to do mainly is you're going to download the data from Bureau of Economic Analysis website, and you're going to plot the graph. Then you're going to explain the graph that you have plot for that county. Okay, after you plot the graph, explain the graphs, you're going to take a look at some other, such as employment statistic, number of companies in that county, and then you will have to research for some more information. Then you will recommend one policy, address one economic problem, and recommend one public policy to solve that problem. Okay, that's a big picture of the assignment. Today I'm going to show you how to download the data and how to plot the graph on Excel. Okay, so the first step, you access this Bureau of Economic Statistics, Bureau of Economic Analysis, I'm sorry. So okay, nope, it's not going. Okay, it's okay, I can copy, and then I'm gonna open the Chrome. Okay. So when you follow that link, it will go to GDP by county, gross domestic product by county, metro, and other area, right? Where is interactive table? Well, it's under tool, interactive data. Okay, and it's gonna be on this side. Regional data. You can do begin using data, right? And then it has this list of table for you. Okay, I want by county. Oh, here, GDP by county and metropolitan area. Click on that, and then first step, we're gonna download the nominal GDP. So you're gonna download this one, GDP in current dollar, right? And we want by county, so click next step. I'm gonna move myself a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna do Wisconsin. And then let's do Douglas County. Here we go. And scroll down. We can do our statistic in table and then click next step. We can do all years. Click next step. Okay, it's gonna show you this table, a huge table, right? You're gonna download that into Excel. Okay, so it has the choice for you: CVS, Excel file, XLS. I'm gonna open that for you. Okay, so you should have the Excel file look like this, right? Okay, let's see what's the next step. Okay, after we download everything, the next step, you will have to go back and download another type of GDP, which is real GDP, right? Suppose we download everything. You're gonna use the number in those table and fill in this table. 2001 current dollar GDP for all industry. Let's see. All industry current dollar GDP is here. So you're gonna copy this row and fill into this row. Okay, after you've done everything, I want you to plot the graphs of real GDP and contribution to % change in real GDP, right? From table 4. Question 5, you have to plot the graph. Let's say you have the real GDP row of data and you want to plot the graph. I'm gonna assume this is real GDP, but actually this is nominal GDP, right? How to plot the graph on Excel? Okay. First of all, I recommend you to work in a separate sheet in Excel. So let's do that. To open another sheet, you click on this plus sign, and then it's gonna say new sheet, right? Sheet 1. And then I'm gonna go back and copy everything here. Right click, copy, go to that sheet, and then Control V or paste. Okay, you have all industry GDP. Keep in mind your graph has to be real GDP. Okay, private industry, let's say I have that. I want to graph that too. Okay, copy, go and paste. Okay, how to plot the graph on Excel? The easiest one is you're gonna mark the cell you want to plot. Okay. Okay, this one. We want to plot this, right? After you mark it, you go to insert, and then they have a recommended charts for you. You can click on that, but we have the line chart, so we're going to do this 2D line. Okay, so there are two series in this graph because we have all industry GDP and private industry, right? You can click on chart title to change the chart title, or you set real GDP of this county. Series 1, what is series 1 and series 2? Okay, what you want is you want to change series 1 and series 2 into all industry and private industry, right? What you can do is go to the chart area, right click, and it should have the menu of select data. Okay, series 1, we want to edit that. Okay, series name, click on this arrow and then click on the first cell or all industry, the first cell that say all industry, and click again. Now it changed the name, you can see that. Okay, do that again for series 2, edit, series name, private industry, right? Okay, another thing you have to fix in the graph is x-axis, horizontal axis. It should be time series graph, which means it has to be years, right? So horizontal axis, edit. You're gonna click this arrow, and then you're gonna mark the first row, which is the year here. Then click OK. Then you will change the chart title. That should be your graph. Okay, that's what I expect to see, this type of graph for this assignment. Okay, so this video is about how to plot the graph, how to download the data from Bureau of Economic Analysis website, put it on Excel, and plot the graph. If you have any question, feel free to send me email anytime. Okay.